Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Trade Republic and Revolut, two popular financial platforms. So, Trade Republic is a commission-free brokerage platform designed for stock, ETF, and derivative trading, primarily focused on European markets with streamlined mobile experience, while Revolut is a financial super app offering a range of services from banking to commission-free stock trading, international payments, and cryptocurrency access, aimed at users who want a versatile financial tool. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Trade Republic and Revolut, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about core offering, Trade Republic is primarily focused on stocks, ETFs, and bonds, while Revolut is a multi-purpose financial app offering banking, stocks, crypto, and commodities. When we talk about investment options, so Trade Republic have stocks, ETFs, saving plans, and bonds, as I said earlier, while Revolut also have stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and saving vaults. For fractional shares, Trade Republic, they have it for stocks and ETFs, while same thing with Revolut, the fractional shares is available for stocks. For crypto trading, so Trade Republic, they don't have any crypto trading, while Revolut available for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. For commodities, same thing again. Trade Republic, they don't have it. So Revolut, because of their crypto trading, they offer access to commodities like gold and silver. Then for the saving plans, so Trade Republic have automated saving plans for stock and ETFs, while Revolut have vaults for savings, roundup features, and budgeting tools. For the mobile app, so Trade Republic is focused on investing, simple and user friendly, while Revolut they have comprehensive app covering banking, investing, payments, and budgeting. And for the desktop platform, so Trade Republic have no desktop platform, mobile only, while Revolut have no desktop platform, mobile only. Same thing again. So lastly, for target audience, so Trade Republic have long-term investors looking for simplicity and low fees. So that's what they look at. While Revolut, their target audience is individuals looking for a mix of banking, investment, and crypto trading services. And that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. So for the account fees, Trade Republic have free account fees, so you don't have to pay. Same thing with Revolut, but they have paid subscription tiers, which is Plus, Premium, and Metal. And for the stock and ETF trading fees, Trade Republic offers €3 per trade, while Revolut is they have a free up to monthly limit trading fees. Then the fees apply based on the account tier, starting at €1 per trade. And for the crypto trading fees, so Trade Republic, they don't have any crypto trading fees since they don't have any trading crypto function, while Revolut have 1% to 2% commission based on tier. So which is Plus, Premium, and Metal. And for the commodities trading fees, same thing again. Trade Republic have no commodity trading fees, while Revolut have 0.25 fees on trades. And when we talk about withdrawal fees, Trade Republic is free, and Revolut also free up to a limit. Then fees may apply. And for deposit fees, Trade Republic is also free for bank transfer, while Revolut also free for most deposit methods, and the fees for credit and debit card deposit in some cases. And for currency conversion fees, Trade Republic have no currency conversion fees within the Eurozone, while Revolut, they are free up to €1,000 per month on pre-plan, then 0.5% fees, and no fees on premium and metal tiers. So that's the one of the benefit of having a higher tier. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. So for execution speed, so Trade Republic have fast execution on stock and ETF orders, while Revolut have also have fast execution for stocks, slightly slower for crypto and commodities. And for the platform stability, Trade Republic is very stable with mobile first interface. Revolut is also highly stable across all financial services, including payments and trading. For the data and analytics, Trade Republic have basic analytic tools for long-term investing, while Revolut also have basic analytics for stocks, none for crypto or commodities. And for the order types, Trade Republic have market, limit, and stop orders available. But when it comes to Revolut, they have market limit orders for stock, instant buy and sell for crypto and commodities. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer support. So for support channels, Trade Republic have email support and in-app chat support. Same thing with Revolut, but they have a priority support for paid tiers. And for response time, so Trade Republic relatively quick to response but mostly via email only. And for Revolut, they have faster response time on premium and metal plans. For availability, Trade Republic, they have limited hours of support, while Revolut, they have 24/7 customer support on premium and metal plans and limited hours for free users. And for the knowledge and for the knowledge base, Trade Republic have comprehensive fact and tutorials, while Revolut have extensive knowledge base with resources on banking and investing. So that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. So now let's go directly to pros and cons. So let's start with Trade Republic pros and cons. So for the pros, Trade Republic have very low cost platform with €1 per trade, making it cost effective for long-term investing. They offer fractional shares and automated saving plans, simplifying investing. They have no currency conversion fees within the Eurozone, making it favorable for European users. And they have an easy-to-use mobile application focused on simplicity for stock and ETF investors. And for the cons, so Trade Republic is limited to stocks, ETFs, and bonds, and lack the options for crypto and commodities. And they have no desktop platforms. They have only available as a mobile app. They have limited availability outside of certain European countries. Lastly, they have basic analytics and research tools compared to other investment platforms. So that's it for the Trade Republic pros and cons. So now let's go directly to Revolut pros and cons. For the pros, Revolut have comprehensive financial app combining banking, stock, investing, cryptocurrency, and commodities. They have free stock trading up to a certain limit, making it attractive for casual investors. They offer cryptocurrency and commodities trading, expanding investment option. And lastly, the budgeting, saving goals, and multi-currency accounts are built into the app, offering a full financial ecosystem. So that's it for the pros. And for the cons, Revolut trading is limited based on subscription tiers, and higher tier plans unlock more features. And trading fees apply for crypto and commodities, making them more expensive for frequent traders. And also, they lack advanced stock research and analysis tool. And also, the free plan has limited features compared to other dedicated investment platforms. So that's it for the Revolut pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Trade Republic. So Trade Republic is referable for someone who focus on long-term investment in stocks, ETFs with low fees. Someone who seeks simplicity in their investment process with automated saving plans. And someone in Europe looking to avoid currency conversion fees. And lastly, someone who doesn't need to access cryptocurrencies or commodities and prefers traditional asset. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Trade Republic is the one for you. And for the people who should choose Revolut, Revolut is referable for someone who wants single app for banking, investing, and crypto trading. Someone who are looking for a variety of asset classes, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Someone who wants a budgeting tool alongside their investment option, and someone who doesn't mind subscription tiers and prefer access to multiple financial services in one app. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Revolut is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, Trade Republic is great option for long-term investors who want straightforward and low-cost solution for stocks and ETFs. On the other hand, Revolut offers a more comprehensive financial app combining banking, stock investing, and crypto trading, making it ideal for those who want a single app to manage their finances and investments. The decision comes down to your investment goals. Trade Republic is perfect for simplicity and low fees, while Revolut provides more asset variety and financial features. And if you found this comparison useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And which platform are you leaning towards, Trade Republic or Revolut? And let us know in the comments. So, with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.